Hey, let me quickly show you how you can connect JBL Go 4 with JBL Portable mobile application. So first of all you have to do is just to go into the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. In this case, I'm using Android phone, so I'm going to the Play Store. Click on the search and get this JBL Portable application. So input this phrase, and this is application that we are looking for. So click on this install button. Now you have to wait for a few seconds until the installation will be finished. And in this time, I can highly recommend you to simply click once on this Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. As you can see now, the indicator is blinking, so our speaker is actually visible to other devices. Now we have to open this application, wait for this JBL animated logo. Click to get started. Now accept all of these terms and agreements. Accept this permission, accept allow. And now just wait until your application find your speaker. As you can see, we are still in the pairing mode. So wait a little bit. As you can see, for some reason it's not detected. So we can tap on can't find product. And now we have to go for Go and select JBL Go 4. Now, as you can see, they show us to click on this Bluetooth button, go to the Bluetooth list, click on the pair new device, and select the JBL Go 4. Now just wait for the pairing request, accept the pairing request, and as you can see, right now it's finished. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.